Question 6.7. In a process, 701 joule of heat is absorbed by a system and 394 joule of work is done by the system. What is the change in internal energy for the process? So in this question, 2 points are very important. That is, heat absorbed by the system and work is done by the system. We know that if work is done by the system, then W will be negative. Okay, so in this case, value of work, which is 394 joule, is negative. And second thing is Q is positive when heat is absorbed by the system. So in this case, 701 joule of heat is absorbed by the system. Hence, here heat is positive. So let's write down solution. Let's write down given quantities. First thing is heat absorbed by a system. Okay. So heat absorbed by the system is positive. Hence, Q is equal to 701 joule. Okay. Then second point, work is done by the system. Therefore, work done by the system which is equal to W. So here work done by the system, so W is negative in this case. If work is done on the system, then W is positive. So here W is equal to minus 394 joule. Okay, so remember in this type of question, signs are very important. Now they ask to find out the change in internal energy for the process. According to first law of thermodynamics, delta U is equal to Q plus W. Hence, it is equal to 701 plus minus 394. Okay, so this is nothing but 701 minus 394, and the answer comes out to be 307 joule. So here I got delta U is equal to 307 joule. Therefore, final answer will be change in internal energy for the process is 307 joule. Okay, so this is required answer. Thank you.